Subscribe to Bootstrap Station if you haven't, and today we are going to fix this boot loop problem due to Magisk modules. So first of all, let me go to the recovery now. Make sure you know the combinations of your Android mobile to go into recovery. For my mobile, I have to first of all go to fast boot, then recovery mode. Your recovery may be anyone, TWRP, Pitch Black or Orange Fox or whatever you have, which allows you to install custom ROMs and like that. Let me quickly enter my screen lock here. So now go to mount option and make sure this data is mounted. Okay, data must be mounted here. If it is not, select it. Now go back and you have to go to advanced, then go to file manager, or wherever you have the file manager, just click on that. Now go to data, then ADB, and you have the modules option here, the second option, modules, and here I have these modules installed. The problem I think is caused by this Riru core module. So whichever module you think is causing the problem, click on that folder. Now click on this tick mark and then click on delete and swipe this to confirm that folder has been deleted. Now go back. I also think this safety net fix could also be the issue for boot loop. So click on this folder. Again the same process, tick mark, delete, swipe to confirm. Now go back and the module has been uninstalled, it means deleted. Now you can go to the home, power button and reboot to system. This problem may also come if you are updating your system and you already have some of the modules installed using Magisk. So you have to delete those modules first, then update your system and then reinstall if you want them. And you can see that our device has restarted. And please subscribe to Bootstrap Station. That's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.